KFG weather overview. Looking at the radar off the Penn State eWall site, and this is the rain that is to come for tomorrow. And I think the models and the weather forecasts overall did a good job with telegraphing tomorrow's rain. And yeah, it'll be the last day of November. It'll be characterized by a soaking rain, at least for the first half of the day. And then we'll clear it out, and it'll be windy for the remainder of the day. But the bulk of the rain will fall probably before 2 o'clock. So here it is, building over Georgia, Alabama, and soon the Carolinas, and it'll be making its way up the eastern seaboard our way. Now, the NAM model has the rain moving in sometime between 7 and 10 a.m., and then it gets pretty heavy at times. In fact, there's going to be a period for about 3 to 5 hours, probably between 10 a.m. and about 1 p.m., where it's moderate to heavy rain. We could also see some thunder and lightning. Wouldn't be surprised. And the winds will be very strong as this pulls through. So definitely a period of rough weather on the way. It's going to fall before and after the main rush hours. So after the morning rush and before the evening rush. So the timing is to our benefit. So if we're going to have this weather, let it move through when less, relatively fewer people are on the road. And that's what I think will happen. This is by late in the day, and the rain's definitely long gone, the bulk of it anyway. There can be a few leftover showers, but the bulk of the rain falls between 10 a.m. and about 2 p.m., and it's going to come down heavy. We'll probably get well over an inch of rain, despite the fact that it's going to be raining in a lot of places for less than 6 hours. So, short, intense burst of rain on the way. And then after that, who knows? By the end of the week, there was a talk of a storm, but it's really not there on the models. Here we are out to Tuesday, and we roll it along. Now it's going to be windy and blustery from Tuesday into Wednesday, and there can be some leftover showers, but the bulk of the rain is gone. We get into temperatures that are typical for December 1st, 2nd, 3rd, with highs generally around the mid 40s. And then by Friday, we might get grays with a little bit of rain late Friday night into early Saturday. But then after that, not much going on. The models did have a storm for the end of the week, but they're now taking it out to sea. Here we are out to Monday, December 7th, and this storm would be well off the coast. So it's just something we have to watch out for. So the main action looks like it's going to come early in the week, and then after that, we're pretty much done. And we're just dealing with kind of blustery, chilly weather, but nothing atypical of December. Monday's highs could get up to 61 because of the warm air moving in with the thunderstorms and the heavy rain for the late morning hours. Tuesday, we knock it back down to about 53. And then Wednesday, here we go with highs only around 40 to 45. Same thing with Thursday. And then again Friday with highs nudging up to about 50. Saturday, the weekend looks relatively benign with highs once again above normal. So Friday, Saturday, the warming trend, albeit December style, is in the offing when we get basically back into the upper 40s to low 50s. So anything above 45 this time of year would be considered on the mild side. So December opens up with cooler temperatures to start and then gradually going above normal with the early week rain for Monday.